Guys, good morning. So I'm back again. It's your friend Joy, Love Your Body. So I hope everyone is doing great. So summer will soon be around the corner, as you all know. So it's time to look good and look sexy and get ready for summer. So this morning I'm going to make breakfast with my protein shake. This protein shake is a low fat protein that is very rich in iron, that is rich in fiber, that is a meal replacement. So guys, if you know you are your weight loss journey, you want to get rid of you know some kg, or you just want to maintain yourself, I will advise you to go for this shake, Body Language by Frederick Kim. Is a meal replacement. You can use this to control your weight. You can use this to maintain yourself from inside to outside. You have all the vitamin in. This is a meal. Is a meal replacement. So it's very easy to prepare. But this morning I'm going to use this strawberry. I'm using a natural yogurt, 0%. You can also mix with any fruit of your choice, or you can take it with water, you can take it with almond milk, you can use vegetable milk. Is more preferable, is more better. So this is a vegan food, so there's no animal in, so it's all vegan, it's vegetarian, so it's very good. And I'm going to use nut. It comes like this. I know there is no sweet that is inside. This is what I have inside. You see that? So I'm going to use this for my breakfast this morning. So guys, ladies, don't say I have kids so I don't have time for myself. Oh, that is an excuse. Don't say it's because of this COVID we don't go out anymore, so I don't need to take care of myself anymore. I don't have time, I'm too busy, or I'm too tired, or I feel lazy because of what is going on. That is an excuse. Have time for yourself. Look good for yourself. In the morning when you wake up, take a shower, look attractive, look good for yourself. You are not doing it to so that people will see you. It's for yourself. It's very important to have self-love, to love yourself, appreciate your body. For me, is the best gift you can give to yourself. It's very important. I know what I'm talking about. So guys, it is very important to look good on ourselves. I will advise you, ladies and gentlemen, not only ladies. You can visit my web shop. We have different type of products for your well-being that is really there to help you to look good from inside to outside. So for me, this product is made here in France. Is a natural product that is really there to to help you to maintain yourself from inside to outside, to look good, to be strong, to have that energy. We also have this Energy 360. So if this period you feel weak, you feel tired, you feel lazy, so try to boost yourself. Life is so sweet and fantastic. Why are you inside wasting your time all day? Go out, look good. Even though you are at home, you just want to relax. Be smart and be dynamic. Okay, that is the best way to enjoy life. Salut les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Voilà, c'est Joy, Love Your Body. Ça fait un moment, j'ai pas fait live en français. Ce matin, je vais préparer mes petits déjeuners avec vous. Ce matin, j'ai des fraises, les noix, qui est vraiment bien. Et on a notre shake et protéine chez Frederick Kim, Body Language, qui est là pour vous aider à contrôler votre poids. Si vous avez des objectifs avant cet été, vous avez envie de débarrasser quelques kilos en tout, et je vous conseille ça. C'est naturel, c'est vegan. Ça va vraiment vous aider à éliminer les kilos en trop ou à rester bien en forme. Contrôlez votre poids jusqu'à cet été. L'été arrive. Il n'y a plus de petites, il n'y a plus de motos pour couvert. Maintenant, ça va être le moment de mettre les petites robes. C'est le moment d'être quand on a envie de montrer notre corps un peu, hein, pas déshabiller pour balader sur la route. Hein. Et je vous conseille notre shake protein. Et si en ce moment vous êtes vraiment très très fatigué, je sais, c'est vrai qu'en ce moment, avec tout ce qui se passe, hein, on a notre Energy 360 qui va vous aider à être en forme, hein, à être au taquet. Hein. Il faut prendre ça pour démarrer la journée. Les femmes, je vous conseille, c'est naturel, c'est des produits naturels, c'est fabriqué ici en France, dans le sud de la France. Vous pouvez aller faire les recherches, regardez, c'est que des produits qui ont des bonnes qualités et qui est pas cher. Voilà, c'est pour moi, c'est pas du tout cher cette gamme-là. Et là, on va commencer notre petit déjeuner. Ça, vous en avez 7 shakes en protéines. Il y a on en a en vanille, on en a en chocolat, on en a différents parfums que vous avez envie. Il faut aller juste voir sur le lien qui est en dessous et vous allez voir tout. Ok, maintenant on va commencer la préparation. D'abord, j'ai déjà lavé les fraises. Hein. Il faut bien les laver avec tout ce qui se passe là. Donc, il faut faire très très attention. Et là, je vais les découper comme ça. Voilà. Voilà. Je vais les découper mes fraises. Après, vous allez voir qu'est-ce qu'on va faire avec. Hop. Hop. J'enlève la tête. On va les découper. Voilà. On découpe tout. Prenez soin de vous, les amis. Hein? Love your body, guys. Take care of yourself. It is your body. It belongs to you. What you put on your, you put on your system is very important, guys. It is your body. Don't be, selfish. Have time for yourself. Huh? Take nice meal to fuel your body. This period, privileged fruit, vegetable, nice food for your system. That will make you to look strong and healthy. Life is sweet, oh. When you have time for yourself, long life, everything will follow. So, guys, I'm through with that. I think this one is okay. My strawberry. Now, I'm going to add this. Maintenant, je vais mettre ça. You see, it's very easy. It comes like this. You can take it along with you. You can, just, pour it inside a bottle of water and take it. So this is my yogurt that is already in here. I'm going to add this to it. You see that? Everything is out. Then we are going to mix. You see that? So guys, not bad. This one is cappuccino, I think. So you have all the good nutrition in here. Just go to the link, see for yourself. See for yourself. It is your body, it belongs to you. And don't forget, guys, let exercising be part of your weight loss journey. It is very important to, go for exercise. So now, you see what we have here. So this is exactly what I'm going to do now. This is my breakfast too. It is my body, it belongs to me. So I have to fuel myself with a nice meal, because this is the only thing I can give to myself. So try to have time for yourself. Women, I know a lot of you will say, we are too busy. You see, I dropped my daughter, my last one, at school this morning. Then I came back home. So I'm ready to go out for my workout. Then I'm going to walk for 12 kilometers today. So I'm going to fuel my body with this before going out. If you don't have time for yourself, you don't want to take care of yourself, who do you want it to do it for you? you are the one, oh, you are the one that think they can do that alone. Create a space for yourself. Love your body, oh. Love yourself very well. Don't say I have children, I work, I'm too busy. For me, I work, I have kids, I create a space. All you need is just to organize your day. Organize it. Make a planning. I know we have to like friends. Today you can say I'll go and see my friend. Tomorrow is my day. So it's very, very important to have time for ourselves. Very, very important. For me, I don't play with my body anymore. No way. I don't play with it. So you see, this is the fresh one because I have it fresh. This is it comes like this, the nut. You just have to break it and bring it out. So you can buy this one in all the supermarkets. It's very good for a breakfast. For your weight loss journey, you want to have that vitamin, be healthy. This is what you should fuel your body with. Okay guys, please love your body. You love it very well. So here is my breakfast this morning. You see that? What did you think? Nice breakfast, rich in iron, rich in protein, with all the vitamin. That is very good for the system, very good for the health, good for the skin. That will make you not to get old quickly. Me, I'm 40 now. Oh, I want to maintain myself. Oh, life is so sweet and fantastic. So you see that.